In a forgotten realm, ruled not by kings, but by calm hands and ink legacy, 4 noble houses rise, each pattern a force, each stroke a pledge. Welcome to the House of Tangles. You are about to meet the first 4 and witness what happens when their power converges. House Diva Dance. Born of rhythm, moved by grace, its curves don't shout, they sing. To draw it is to follow breath, controlled, elegant, powerful. House Nice. The stone that sings, the fracture that holds firm. Order in chaos, calm in corners. This house doesn't rise, it anchors. House Flux. A wave, a root, a storm in disguise. It grows where others hesitate. Each stroke bends, swirls, flows, like strength wrapped in softness. House Tipple. Joyful, unpredictable. A bubbling rebellion in every circle. It doesn't follow rules. It rewrites them with every flick of the pen. But alone, each house is only a thread. Together, they are a tapestry. This tile holds all 4 noble lines, united, tangled, alive. This is what happens when balance, play, growth, and strength converge. And now, the realm needs you. The houses have revealed themselves, but which one calls to your hand? Comment your allegiance below. Download your free House Crest certificate to join your lineage. And subscribe to Hobby 101, because in the realm of calm creators, we draw with purpose, we tangle with story, we rise together.